Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Herbalife multivitamin tablets, updated. Take 1 tablet daily with a meal and a full glass of water to aid absorption. Try to take it at the same time each day to build a routine and make it a habit. Avoid doubling doses and store tablets away from heat and moisture. If you have health conditions or take medications, check with your nutrition advisor before starting. Daily timing matters for consistent benefit, so pick a meal time that fits your schedule and stick with it. The tablet pairs well with breakfast or lunch and avoids interfering with sleep. If you miss a dose, take it later that day, but do not double your next dose. Keep a simple reminder on your phone or place the bottle where you will see it each morning to build a lasting routine. Quick recommendation and a tiny detour. If you want a reliable bottle to take your water with your multivitamin, consider the Owala water bottle for easy sipping on the go. It fits most cup holders, has a secure lid, and keeps drinks cold for hours, which makes staying hydrated simple while you follow a supplement routine. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. These multivitamin tablets aim to fill nutritional gaps and support daily vitamin levels when your diet varies. Many people notice steadier energy and easier meal planning, but some may feel mild stomach upset at first. If nausea occurs, try taking the tablet with a larger meal or in the evening. Watch for allergic signs or unusual symptoms and stop taking the tablet while you consult your nutrition advisor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.